Meteo and 2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule. It was yet another beautiful day outside. Good thing that it's a long weekend because tomorrow similar conditions are expected for the most part, with some changes expected by tomorrow throughout into Tuesday. For Wailuku, or excuse me, for Maui, we're seeing a lot of sunshine. Depending on where you are across the islands, we're going to start to see partly up to mostly cloudy skies. It's really windward areas with leeward areas seeing the heavier cloud coverage thanks to the winds. Today we had some of those cloud coverage built up over the mountain tops, but that will then shift over towards the leeward sides tomorrow, as I mentioned. Green lights across the board, no advisories issued. In terms of our ocean conditions, going to be a beautiful day tomorrow and Tuesday with the lighter winds to jump in the ocean if you have the chance. 3 to 5 footers, a little dab down for the east-facing shores. 2 to 4 remain for the south, the west, and 3 to 5 remain up towards the north. Unfortunately, in terms of our Makani and our winds, which have been flowing in from the east, as you can see, these arrows will be changing in its direction. As we get in through tomorrow, it's going to become a lot more southeasterly in terms of the wind flow, taking us from Monday into Tuesday. And we are then going to start to get back to a trade wind flow in terms of direction. But unfortunately, those numbers in terms of wind speeds will remain on the light side. And this is the reason why there's the remnants of what was post-tropical cyclone Irwin. Have to think about that when you're saying it. That, in addition to a bunch of different surface low-level disturbances north of the islands. Well, that will be moving over the island chain starting this evening, moving through tomorrow, should be on the west by Tuesday. That's going to be weakening the winds. Once we get out of Tuesday into Wednesday, the focus shifts to what's south of the islands. This pocket of moisture will be drawn up from the south and looking to bring some rounds of wet weather, potentially even thunderstorms for the slopes of Hawaii Island starting Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday. We can see that on this future radar. Tuesday morning, we're starting to see the frontal bands of that pocket moving through. Periods of heavy downpours is expected. Again, Wednesday clearing up to into the Thursday, and then hopefully back to drier conditions if we're looking for towards the Hilo or the volcano side of Hawaii Island, which is where most of this will be situated. At least the heaviest. Hawaii Island will be the only island that looks to be under this pocket. From Maui all the way up to Kauai, we're going to be seeing drier conditions, which you can expect then drought conditions to only increase, which have been only in that increasing trend for the past month or so. And aside from that little round of wet weather, really again for Hawaii Island, no other major source of showers, just some high clouds. Those breezier trade winds hopefully return by next weekend. Sam, back to you.